Now the sum given cosecant theta minus sin theta is equal to a cube, secant theta minus cos theta is equal to b cube. To prove a square into b square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to 1. First I am going to take this one. What is given here? A cube. A cube is equal to cosecant theta minus sin theta. Cosecant theta minus sin theta. A cube is equal to, what is cosecant theta? We can write as 1 by sin theta. Cosecant theta we can write as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. 1 divided by sin theta minus sin theta. A cube is equal to, now cross multiply, 1 minus sin into sin is sin square theta divided by this denominator is sin theta. A cube is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, we can write cos square theta divided by sin theta. This cube moves this side, becomes 1 by 3. So a power of cos square theta divided by sin theta whole power of, this 3 moves, it becomes 1 by 3. But to prove, I want to get a square. So squaring on both sides. So a square is equal to cos square theta divided by sin theta. First one is present here, 1 by 3. Next I am going to make a square, whole square. We know the formula a power b, b power c. I can multiply these two powers. Therefore a square is equal to cos square theta. A square is equal to cos square theta divided by sin theta whole power of, multiply these two powers. 1 into 2 is 2. Power of, whole power of 2 by 3. Now I can separate the powers for numerator and denominator. How are you going to separate? Cos square theta whole power of 2 by 3 divided by sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. So a square is equal to, now same, 2 2s are 4. Therefore a square is equal to cos theta whole power of 4 by 3. Cos theta whole power of 4 by 3 divided by sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. This is nothing but a square. Next I need to find for b square. How I can write? Take b cube. B cube is nothing but secant theta minus cos theta. So b cube is equal to secant theta. I am going to write 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. B cube is equal to, cross multiply, cos into cos is cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. B cube is equal to, what is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. Sin square theta divided by cos theta. Now this cube comes this side, becomes whole power of 1 by 3. So B is equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta whole power of 1 by 3. Whole power of 1 by 3. Now we need square, no? As like A, I am making squaring. As for B also I want to make a squaring. So B square is equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta 1 by 3. Next I need to make the squaring. So you know the power a power b, b power c. I can multiply both this. So b square is equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta. Multiply both these powers. 1 by 3 into 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. The same procedure. Therefore b square is equal to, we need to separate power for numerator and denominator. How are we going to separate? Sin square theta whole power of 2 by 3 divided by cos theta whole power of 2 by 3. Therefore b square is equal to 2 2s are 4. Therefore sin power of sin theta whole power of 4 by 3. But I write this time. This is very good. Cos theta whole power of 2 by 3. So I have found a square. I have found b square. Nothing but a cos sin cos, the same power, but only the cos and sin in numerator and denominator differs. So I am going to take LHS. What is LHS? A square b square into a square plus b square. This one is LHS. First a square into b square. A square into b square. Multiply both this. First I am going to write cos theta whole power of 4 by 3 divided by sin theta whole power of 2 by 3 into b square. Multiply this one. Sin theta whole power of 4 by 3 divided by cos theta whole power of 2 by 3. Open the bracket. Now a square plus b square. A square plus b square. First I want to write this one. A square, no. Cos theta whole power of 4 by 3 divided by sin theta whole power of 2 by 3 plus now b square. Sin theta whole power of 4 by 3 divided by cos theta whole power of 2 by 3. This one is a square into b square, a square plus b square. If I am going to see, we know the formula. What is the formula is well known for us? Listen carefully here. If I am going to write a square, if I am going to write a power n, how I can write a power m minus n? A power m minus n. A power m divided by a power n, I can write a power m minus n. Here cos theta, both are cos theta. Here power 4 by 3, here 2 by 3. How can I write? This 2 by 3 comes upward. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. What is 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3? 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 3 are common. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 3. So 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 3. Here also cos theta comes upward. How I can write? Nothing but cos theta whole power of 2 by 3 divided by same here also. Here sin theta whole power of 4 by 3. Here sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. This one comes upward. 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is nothing but sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. I can write sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. Better before writing this, I will erase and going to write. See how I am going to write. The same procedure only. Cos theta whole power of 2 by 3 sin theta whole power of 2 by 3. Open the bracket. Now cross multiply. If I am going to cross multiply, what it becomes? This one also have a formulas. What is the formula? You know the formula. A power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. If I am going to a power m into a power n, nothing but a power m plus n. I can add the powers. A power m plus n. So here power is 4 by 3. If going to this one, here cos theta, going to cross multiply, I can add both the powers. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Add 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 4 plus 2 is nothing but 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So this cos and this cos going to multiply. If I am going to multiply this both the cos, because cross multiply, you know, cos, I am going to add cos. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is nothing but 2. I can write cos square theta plus same here also sin, here also sin. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 2 by 6 by 3, nothing but 2. Plus sin square theta divided by, I need to multiply these two powers. Sin power of 2 by 3, sin theta whole power of 2 by 3 into cos theta whole power of 2 by 3. Close the bracket. Here see, cos whole power of 2 by 3 cancel. Sin whole power of 2 by 3 cancel. Next sin square plus cos square 1. This only I need to prove RHS. Hence proved.